All right, Mitchell, can you think of a rookie mistake that traders should be aware of?
One rookie mistake would be the use of stop orders on options. I've never recommended using stop orders, even if using kind of more of a passive option strategy, because I think you should always be in tune to current market conditions should you need to take action. So you might think that by using a stop order, it can value some protection for you. Um, but I've seen more people burned by a stop order than it's really helped. They trigger off the opposite market of like a stop order on a stock. So like the opposite side of the market. So say you're holding shares of Apple and you want to protect yourself on the downside at 180. Well, the way that order would work is that should the bid price of Apple bid 180 or lower, your order will be triggered, sent to the market as a sell order at the market price. On options, however, that triggering mechanism is reversed. So instead of being triggered off the bid, your order is triggered off the ask price. So by the time the contract ask price is at your stop price, the bid could be much lower as options tend to have bigger spreads, especially one that has low volume, low open interest, low liquidity. So as an example, on that front, you buy 20 Apple calls for 350, you put in a stop order at 175 to cut your potential loss by 50%. By the time the ask price on that contract hits 175, the bid price could be much lower, maybe even like say 135. So that means your order would have been triggered, sent to the market as a market sell order, picking up that 135, $1.35 at the bid. That would create an $800 loss greater than your 50% max loss for which it was initially set. So to summarize, I would never use a stop order on options because it's got larger spreads, lower liquidity due to the amount of speculation, and then it triggers off that opposite end of the market. So that's something that most people aren't aware of, and I feel like people should be. So just be cognizant of that if you plan on placing a stop order on an option.